air fried, sticky, icky Don Julio chicken wings. I heard Popeyes dropped like a special edition version of some Don Julio wings, so I told myself I gotta go ahead and get in the kitchen and whip some up. So this is what Jay is putting out for y'all. This one came out amazing, so delicious, so flavorful. Let's go ahead and get right on into it. So of course you want to begin with your chicken wings. I'm just going to go ahead and drizzle a little bit of oil on them and give them a nice luxurious massage as we always do. And you know we got to season up proper. On the screen I have that base coat. Everything you need is listed on the screen, and it will be listed in the description box as well for you to reference to. So go ham, go crazy, and do not be stingy, and make sure your chicken is well coated up just like so. Once it is, we're gonna toss these bad boys right in that air fryer tray so we could get them nice and crispy. Okay, once you have them loaded up, we are gonna air fry them at 385 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna let them go for about 18 minutes. Now listen, you do want to stop it halfway through, so at about the 9-minute point you'll go ahead and pause that, give them a flip, put them back in, and let them go for the remainder of the time. So you want to go ahead and get your heat to about a medium, and we're going to toss in a little bit of unsalted butter. Again, everything is listed on the screen and will be listed in the description box as well down below, baby. Okay, so go ahead and get all these ingredients into your pan just like so. And of course, you cannot forget the Don Julio. Gotta have that as well. You already know I love me some Don Julio Reposado, baby. That is honestly my go-to drink, one of my favorites. Let me know if it is one of yours as well. I love me some tequila in general, baby. Get everything in your pan just like so. I did hit it with my torch just to burn off the alcohol. It's just gonna leave that flavor of that wonderful tequila infused into this sauce right here. Man, oh man, give that sauce a taste. It is so delicious. This is definitely gonna be my go-to going forward. And let me know in the comments down below, is it drums or is it flats? You already know with me, it's flats all the way. Can't go wrong with them flats, all right? So once your sauce is done, it is time to drizzle it on top of your chicken. So this is how we're looking after that 18 minutes. We are nice and crispy, looking oh so beautiful. Go ahead and get your chicken transferred into a mixing bowl so we could get them sauced up. You're gonna take that delicious sauce, you're gonna drizzle it over the top, and you're gonna just give it a mix. And wow, this right here, I'm at a loss for words. I can't even find any more words to describe how amazing this is right here. It is just simply amazing, so delicious, and you definitely, no doubt about it, no ifs, ands, or buts, you got to give this one a try. Once you do, double back, let me know how you love it. Okay, thank you all for watching. Leave me a like down below so YouTube knows you're loving the content, and I'll be sure to see you all on the next video. Deuces.